This is the Vimvins aquarium kit. This is a rimless 10-gallon aquarium. It came with 3 separate pieces that would go with this to complete the kit. As you can see, this is a really nice tank. So it came with this full spectrum LED light, which was super bright and clips onto the back of the tank. Then there was the filter. It's a nice small filter that doesn't push out a lot of water, and it's not very strong, which I needed because I'm getting a betta. And it also came with extra filter media. As you can see, it hangs on perfectly to the back of the aquarium. It has a small sponge on the bottom to harbor some good bacteria for us later.
For beneficial bacteria
to grow. It also came with a set of directions to show you how to set up the filter, how to put it together, and exactly where to put it. Then also it came with this nice acrylic lid for the top of the aquarium to make sure your fish don't come out, as well as these 4 little clamps that you put on the end. The top has these nice cutouts that are perfectly for cords, the light, as well as the hang-on filter, and has a hole in the center for you to be able to feed your fish. As you can see, this aquarium is really nice. It's well made and has no leaks.